Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share with you our new digital files this week. And it's still Speech Bubble, but this time it's more geared for journaling. I'll show you the ones that we had before. You can still journal on them, but they have a little bit more color. I also look at them as foundation. So we had in all our color family and all of the colors, we had with the grid, and then we had some with polka dots, and then we have two different shapes. So we have the grid, the polka dot, or we had just the full color. And like I said, you can, like on this, I would journal with a white pen, but you can also use it as a embellishment foundation. Then we also had smaller ones that had words on it. Okay, now these ones here just have the color in the grid. So these are perfect for journaling. We made the outline a little thicker, so when you cut it, it stands out. So we'll go through all the colors, and again, when you get the file, you get the speech bubble that it goes from the left side and the right side with each file. So let's say if you get yellow, you would get the speech bubble going this way and also going this way. And I think at this point, he only did the main colors. He didn't do any of the color family like this because we only want to do one sheet. So I don't know if that'll come later, but for now, this is what we have. We have yellow, like the original yellow. This is turquoise. This is red. So there's two colors. Normally our thing has four colors, but we did a light and a dark. There's purple. So on each color, we did the lightest color and the darkest color. So pink. And then peach. Then orange. And this is one of our new colors. It's called More Yellow. So we have a brighter yellow and then a darker. This is for my patrons. Everything that we do, I do some in exclusive color for mint for them. So that's mint. This is light gray. This is green. This is dark gray. And this is brown. And this is bright orange. And this is blue. And that is the new digital files that are available this week. And just to let you know, we decided to keep the bundles at 50% off. So if you purchase the bundle, we figured, like people are buying bundles, so they're buying, a lot. So we wanted to give an extra discount as an extra thank you for that. So the bundles are still at 50% off. And so if you're interested, the link is in the description box below, or you can go to NicoleJones91.com and go to classes/store. Embellishments, and we have thousands of different files of embellishments. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.